You know, there was a time where I really held on to the idea that things weren't what they are. That, you know, there would be some sort of normalcy again. Normal's not coming back, Jesus is. But we're going to make the best of it. But here's the thing, what's beautiful about what is happening is that the Lord is preparing his remnant. And guys, this outpouring of his spirit upon the flesh that he has chosen, it's going to be incredible. But yeah, Bev, you know, all the pieces of the puzzle have finally come together. You know, they at one point they used it as a war for oil, and that's just about control. But it's interesting now that Trump has said what he said to Putin today is now we understand why the White House a month ago leaked. We have weapons that affect time and space. We are living in a very exciting time.